Today we're in Altadena. It's a small subdivision in North Park, San Diego. If you're curious about this neighborhood, but you don't know it yet, let's show you why locals here never want to leave. This block sits in the McKinley Elementary School boundary with a walk score of 89, so most of your daily errands are happening on foot. You're a block from Parkside Market, Santos Coffee, Luca's Italian, and the local brewery, and other great restaurants and shops. North Park packs more independent restaurants in a 15-minute walk than anywhere else in San Diego. And here's what the locals know. Every Thursday, the farmers market takes over North Parkway with fresh produce, food, and live music. You're a couple of blocks from Bird Park and the back door of Balboa Park with disc golf, tennis, and a dog park in Morley Field. You're minutes to the Navy Medical Center and downtown, and about 15 minutes to the beach, a 10-minute ride to the airport. And now let's talk about this lovely home. This charming bungalow is full of character. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and filled with natural light, newer engineered wood floors, nicely painted inside and out, and a whisper quiet mini split for heat and air. The primary bedroom opens to a large deck, a backyard paradise with low maintenance turf, a separate bonus guest suite with a full bath, perfect for a home office or a great place for your guests when they come visit you in San Diego. Park off street behind the gate or turn the carport into your own outdoor lounge. Come see in person and don't forget to subscribe so you can be the first to learn about our latest listings in North Park and nearby neighborhoods in San Diego as they hit the market. We look forward to speaking with you.